Hey, what's up everyone? So I recently got this new microphone. It's by Yeti, the Nano Edition. So there's a lot of Yeti microphones out there, but this is one of the more small compact versions of the microphones they make. I've heard a lot of good things about this microphone, so I decided to scoop one up and see how it goes. So let's jump in, unbox this thing, and see how the microphone sounds. So if we look on the box here, we can see some of the specs here on what the microphone actually does. We can see it says it's good for podcasts, game streaming, Skype, conference calls, recordings, a little message here. And on this side, we have some of the features of the mic. So here it says perfect for podcasting, game streaming, YouTube music, no latency, headphone output, plug and play, Mac and PC compatible. That's great. We don't have to install any software or anything to get the mic running. Cardioid and Omni pickup patterns. Supports sample rates up to 24-bit and 48 kHz. So that's just the type of sound quality that the microphone can output. This is a wired mic, so wirelessness isn't going to interfere with it. It's a USB microphone and it connects straight to your computer. All right, so let's unbox this thing. It opens up with the sliver, and if we pull it out, it comes out like this. The whole microphone is in this little cardboard box here. And the first thing we're greeted with is some instructions here. And here we can see some features that the mic includes. And it looks like there actually is software that you can get for this microphone to control some of the settings. All right, and now let's get to the microphone. So it comes with this foam padding to protect the mic. Packaged very nicely, being protected by all the foam coverings. That's great. Feels very solid and the build quality is high. Like, it just feels very premium. Just holding this thing, it feels sturdy, it feels like a tank. Nothing feels loose, everything feels premium. The way the joints work here, very smooth. It's pleasant just holding this thing. Okay, so here we have a volume control, and I believe there's a headphone jack you can plug in here, and then once it's plugged in, you can adjust the volume of your music through the mic. And then here we have a micro USB cable. And then on the back here, we have a button that says pattern. And if we push it, it changes the patterns. I'm not exactly sure what that does yet. And in the box, it also comes with, looks like micro USB cable to the microphone, micro USB to USB, as well as some metal piece here. This metal piece screws into the bottom here. And it looks like you can attach this somewhere else. If you don't want this adjustable microphone, it looks like this is an adapter that comes with the box, and then you can attach it to a different kind of mount or arm. But we're not going to be using this. We're going to be using the little arm that the microphone comes with. All right, so we just plugged in the microphone via USB. Something that you'll notice right away is that this lights up green as soon as you plug it in the volume controller. I think that's really cool. Another cool thing about the exterior features of the mic is there's a little gap right here on the back of the microphone here for your cable to run through. So when it's laying on the ground here, you're not gonna get any of that cable wobble from the microphone. So it has a more sturdy experience while it's sitting on the desk. Okay, now we're going to do an audio test with the Yeti Blue microphone. So here we go. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. And now back to the camera microphone that I use. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. And now back to the Yeti. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. As you can tell, the Yeti sounds better than this microphone. This microphone I have here goes for about $30. It was my starter mic. And this microphone here goes for around $70. And you can see the difference right away. This is a professional studio microphone that's made for recording professionally. Do you think the Yeti sounds good or bad? Let me know what you guys think in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.